Patrick at Eagle Woodworking. I'm here with my daughter Hannah.
Hello.
And I'm sure you're curious how we make dovetail drawer boxes here at Eagle Woodworking. Have you any questions before we start?
Is this going to take long?
No, Hannah, it's not going to take long. What kind of wood would you like to use in the drawer box?
How about a clear soft maple with a minimum of any defects like mineral streaking or dark heartwood? Also, I'm not partial to the damage the Colombian timber beetle does. Let's keep that to a minimum.
Absolutely, Hannah. When we select parts for the drawer boxes, that's what we look for. Okay, let's get started. These are the 4 parts for the drawer box. We'll cut them to length.
What does this machine do?
Hannah, this is a dovetail machine. Before I show you how it works, why do you think we use dovetail joinery in our drawer boxes?
Well, it's probably because the dovetail joint is so strong. The way the tails and pins are shaped makes it really difficult to pull the joint apart and pretty much impossible once you add glue.
You're absolutely right. I'm really impressed how much you know about dovetail joinery.
Yeah, well, I heard somewhere that dovetail joinery probably predates written history. A documentary on Nova said that furniture found in an Egyptian tomb had dovetail joinery.
That is amazing. You know, I'm in the drawer box business and I didn't know that.
Well, let's see how this machine works.
All right. Okay, so now we're going to machine the drawer parts. So Hannah, what do you think we should do next?
I would say we need to dado the pieces so we can install the bottom.
Great, let's do it. Hannah, let's put the dado in the drawer parts. Okay, Hannah, here's the dado. The drawer bottom will sit in there. Okay, Hannah, we're going to put some glue in the mortises. There we go. Okay, Hannah, we're ready to assemble the drawer. So now that we have the drawer box assembled, we're ready to staple the bottom. Here's the assembled drawer. What do you think?
Well, first I'm looking for tight dovetail joints. Nothing bothers me more than gaps in dovetail joinery. And I know the drawer is square because the clamp does such a good job of making it perfectly square. Then I check the front to make sure it's perfectly straight because I know someone is going to be installing a drawer front.
That's right, Hannah.
All in all, it looks pretty perfect.
Thank you, Hannah. Thank you, Hannah. Well, what we need to do now is sand the drawer and finish it. But I agree with you. It does look good. Thanks, Hannah. Thanks for your help.